Hi there, welcome back. Check out this 5.2 metre wide by 3.2 metre deep workshop, woodworking workshop. So hobby, crafts, all that sort of thing goes on inside there. And then we got a storage on the left hand side of this one as well. This one's clad in a khaki, how do you say it? What is it? Khaki or khaki?
Khaki?
Khaki brown cladding. Again, it's the zero maintenance James Hardy fibre cement cladding. On the left hand side, we've got our usual anthracite grey box profile steel. The same on the rear, and then on the right hand side, if you just follow me over here, this is quite interesting because we've got a window on the right here for ventilation, a little letterbox window that pops open. You can't really flash around that properly with the box profile sheet, it doesn't really work. So we ran this nice khaki brown cladding around the side. If you just pop round there and peer down there, you'll see that we've got a 50-50 hybrid finish. So we've got our khaki brown finish just past the window. We then stop, terminate and go into a steel just to finish that off there. This stuff is a bit more pricey than the steel, so just to kind of help out on price, that was the sort of result that we came up with. The customer's going to finish this one off himself. He's obviously handy, so he wanted to do his own deck, so he's done the frame, and this spring he's going to just put like a anthracite grey composite on top to match the doors and windows. Let's jump inside and have a little look. These doors have little stays on them so they don't blow around in the wind. And then here we are. Right, come in, check it out. So what we did here is because it's a sort of functional space, he didn't want a plastered finish or painted finish, so we left it as OSB. I don't know if you can see that there, but that is effectively just a sheet of OSB, which is how we finish our storage areas. We left it unpainted. The client then painted it himself. The subfloor is left as our 22mm chip Egger Protect non-slip subfloor, which he then has painted with like a garage floor paint. So, I mean, you can see in here, it is full of tools, and he's got like a French cleat system on here. Helps having the OSB all over the walls, because then you've got a wood fixing just everywhere. You don't have to find a stud or use plasterboard fixings. You can just screw straight into the walls. And he's made really good use of the space with the cleats all the way around the room, obviously shelving over here. He's got a table saw here that he moves into the middle of the room with an outfeed table, dust extraction over here. I mean, it all goes on. He makes picture frames, little knickknacks for friends and family, repairs stuff in the home. His partner sometimes uses this space to do resin work. They do all sorts in here. They've got a really nice little Axminster dust extractor and sort of air purifier. Little drill press. It's brilliant. I had a really good time doing this one with him, obviously being a carpenter and joiner myself, so this was a really, really fun little project to just get involved with, and to see it looking like this is brilliant. So let's go and check out the store. Follow me. So security door on here, nice little anthracite grey blanking panel so you can't see what's inside. Again, this is all insulated as well. It's got a little shelf at the back with a double socket. Again, another surface mounted batten light to provide lots of light really. So that's that. I must also mention that the workshop is soundproofed. So we've got our 50mm PIR in the walls, and then on top of that we've got 50mm of RWA 45 Rockwool, which is an acoustic sound slab. So when he's got his table saw working in here and his wood going through, you can't hear it. Stand down the other end of the garden near the house and you can't hear the tools, which is what he wanted. Didn't want to annoy the neighbours, so works really, really well. And he's also just said to us as well that he flicks the heating on in the morning, turns it off after half an hour, and it's just warm all day. So really pleased with how this one's turned out. Thank you for watching again. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one. So look at this, look at this beautiful handcrafted, he made this himself, this beautiful mallet. So yeah, just an example of what can be made in a space like this. It's a nice stunning piece of tooling, that.